Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri katna District Council Affairs James P. K. Sangma Kynnoh baka jinghiran pisa jongki Autonomous District Council kabapoi hadu uput baki Nongtrei Jingduh Tulop daki Bnai badaki snam kadehi ka jingle bakla jongki Autonomous District Council naduk gisnam bala letno haga jinge kren bad kilat pathai kubor haga khatlai tarik unai weng arjar khat khandai uni Myntri katna District Council Affairs ulai tho baka ne katna kan namla satiaban weng ye kijing jongki Autonomous District Council marmar namar baka jing bakla kadai ka bala yai daki snem ka bashujaran khat manta.
We don't think that would really solve the financial problems of the ADCs. Okay. Now, in terms of these financial crisis that is taking place in all the three ADCs, this is not something that's just overnight taken place. It's an accumulation of mismanagement, maybe over the so many years, whereby now we find ourselves that the ADCs are really struggling in terms of the gap between revenue and the expenditure. So they are really facing an acute financial crisis, no doubt. But then this is not something that it's happened right now. So we are trying to work together with the ADCs. We're trying to see how best we can solve this, and the process is on. There is a process which is there, whereby the process has to be followed. We can't just go ahead and release whatever dues there is. I mean, there's a process, and the process is taking place, and we're trying to see how best we can solve this problem.